Okay, I got a shower drain issue. I will show you. So these new shower drains, they typically have a little cup or some kind of screen that sits underneath. You can see it filling up. That sits underneath here. That's been removed, which is fine. I normally remove those myself because they're such a pain. But what they do is they catch hair and gunk and stuff. But for your own house, it's fine because you can just pop that thing off and clean it easy. For a rental, all it does is clog for guests, and guests tend to shave their entire bodies when they're on vacation. So lots of hair goes down the drain. But anyway, you can see that, see the water there is draining slowly. There's probably just a huge hair baby down there in the trap. So what I do is, I don't snake drains, at least not for clients. But what I will do is use my pressure gun to blow all that down the pipe and get it out into the sewer line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it back up with water so it's got something, going to create some extra pressure. But I'll show you my pressure gun. And I use this thing for everything. I mean, it goes in toilets. I would never touch the head of that thing without rubber gloves and bleach and whatever. But so I don't know that I can do this one-handed because it's gonna pop the gun up, but I'm gonna try. But you can see that it's draining slowly. So I've got it set. I got it pumped. It's just a hand pump. I got it pumped to 60 psi. Not even remotely high enough to damage a pipe or, hurt anything. But yeah, so let's see what happens here. I'm gonna try to hold it. I'm gonna try to hold it with one hand. I'll try to hold it like this. I want you to be able to see it. And then I'm gonna pull the trigger and we'll watch this foam get blown out of my hand. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it got sprayed. Oh, it sprayed me. Oh, it's just shower junk. Okay, but let's see. If that didn't do it, I'm going to do it one more time, but I'll have to put the phone down. And you'll just have to trust me. But let's run some more water and see what happens. Now it may fill up again, and then you'll see it drain super fast. So let's see what happens here while I just sit here and get soaked with shower water. At least it's not golden. So yeah, I'm not even hearing it. Usually you can hear it fill. But yeah, it would have been full by now because it took 10 seconds for it to fill up. So yeah, we got a good drain. I mean, that's got junk down it, but yeah, no more clogging. I am going to put the phone down and I'm going to shoot it one more time with full power, just to blow any little remnants that were still in there. But that's how I do it. So shower drains, clogged toilets. I do a lot of flushable wipes, and they all get stuck. And so normal plungers just can't do it. So I use this pressure gun a lot. It was well worth the money. I think it was, I don't know, $40. This is my second version. The first one I bought, I had for about a year, and then the little bladder inside exploded. But anyway, that's how I do it. Later, skaters.